Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. See here, some questions are written. These questions are from your probability chapter of your class 11. So today we will discuss what you will study in your class 11th and what you have studied already in 10th class. So as I remember you that in 10th class you had learned probability chapter and simple thing you have learned how you will find the probability of taking a card from a 52 playing cards and rolling two dice and tossing two coins and taking out number card from a box, taking out color balls from a box. Okay, so these things you had learned. So in your 11th class you are going to learn how you will write the sample space and find the probability if you will toss three coins. Okay, so in your 10th class you had learned only tossing of two coins. So here you will learn that how you will write the sample space of tossing three coins, how you will write the sample space of tossing four coins, and how you will write the sample space of tossing coin and a dice. And suppose two rooms are there in rooms, boys, girls are there, how you will select the room and student. Okay, so in this way we will learn we will learn what you will on the basis of this question. Okay, how you will write the sample space. So let us see the question number first. Question number saying describe the sample space for the indicated experiment. Here experiments are written, so you have to write sample space of this experiment. So let us see the first one. First one is saying that write the sample space if a coin is tossed three times. Means a coin tossed three times. First time, second time, and third time. So what will come? So as you know that there are two outcomes and you are tossing 3 10 to the power 3. What will come? 8 will come. It means 8 sample space will be there. Then what sample space is that we have to write? Then see here. Suppose you are tossing a coin 3 times. Maybe 3 head can come on both and maybe 3 tail can come on both. Maybe on first head, remaining on tail will be there. T H T can come, T T H can come. Okay. Now see here. Maybe T H H can come. Maybe T H H can come. Maybe H T H can come. Maybe H H T can come. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here these are the sample space of tossing a coin three times. Okay, now see the second one. Second one is saying if you toss a coin four times, then what sample space will come? To first of all see how many sample space will be there. So to the power 4, 16 sample space will be there. Now let us see how you will write. So maybe head can come on both, or maybe tail can on both can come on both. Okay, now let us see if you have to single are there, either head either tail will be there. Now suppose if you are getting two head and two tail in tossing four coin, so how you will write that? So maybe you can write head tail, or maybe tail head you can write. Okay, or maybe you can write th you can write, or ht you can write, or thht can you can write, or htt you can write. In this way you will make the combination. And suppose if you are making combination of one head and three tail, or one tail or three head, so how you will make? So head tail suppose, then th you can write, or tth you can write, or tth you can write. Okay, now after that if you are writing three head one tail, so how you will write? Tail head h t h h h TH, HHH, T. You can write. Now count all the sample space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So see here, total 16 sample space you have written. Okay, so how you will write I told. First of all, write for the single one, then make two head and two tail combination, then one head three tail combination, then three head one tail combination. So you will get the sample space. Okay, so see here how you will write the sample space if you will toss a coin 4 times. Now let us see the third one. Third one is saying if a coin is tossed and die is thrown. So as you know, in coin head tail are there and dice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So how? Suppose you are tossing coin, you are getting head, and you are tossing die. So you are either you can H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Okay, in the head condition you will get this. Now, if you are getting tail, with the tail what will come? Then T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. So see here 6 and 6. Total 12 outcome will be there. Total 10, 12 outcome will be there. So how you will add the sample space? See here in this case also, if we are coin toss and a die. Okay. Now fourth case, if a coin is tossed and then a die is rolled only in case of head. See here, only in case if head will come, then dice will roll. Okay, so in fourth one, what will come? Only head condition. Okay, so in case of head is rolled. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. This will come. Okay. Now, if tail will come, then we will not throw dice. We will not throw dice. Okay. So see here how you will write the sample space of the fourth one also. Okay. Now let us see the fifth one. So for writing the sample space of fifth one, I am going to erase this thing. I hope you have noted down. Okay. Now see fifth one. Fifth one is saying two boys and two girls are in room X. Okay, so room X are there. In this, two boys are there. Two boys, and in this, two girls are there. Sorry, two girls are there. So suppose B1, B2 are there, and here G1, G2 are there. Okay. Now, and room Y, one boy and three girls are in room Y. Room Y is there. Okay. So suppose here one boy is there, one boy is there, so B1, B only take B1. Now here three girls are there, so suppose G1, G2, G3 are there. Okay. Now specify the sample space for the experiment in which a room is selected, then a person. Okay. So how you will select? So suppose that if you will select X room, okay, so from X room either B1 will be, either B2 will be, G1 or G2 will be. So right here X B1, X B1, X B2, okay, B1, X B2, X G1, X G2. So in this way you can select. Now suppose if you are selecting Y room, then from Y room YB1 may be, YG2, G1 will be, YG2 will be, YG3 will be. See here. In this way you will write the sample space. So how many sample? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total sample space will be 8. Total sample space will be 8. So see here how you will So first we have to select the room, then we have to choose the person. Okay. So if X is selected, then X B1 B2. In this way you will write. Okay. Now let us see the sixth one. Sixth one is saying one die of red color. One die of red color. Okay. One die of white color. One die of blue color. So there are three die. Okay, are placed in a bag. One die is selected. One die is selected and rolled its color and the number on its uppermost face is noted. मतलब color, what color is there? Suppose three colors dice are there. We have taken like this and just rolled. Now we have seen what color is there, what number on the uppermost face. So you have to write the sample space, how you will select. Suppose from three dice from this. Okay, suppose this is, suppose you have selected R. Suppose you have selected R. Then number can be R, and then sample space can be R1, R2, means on red colored eyes, maybe 1 will be there, maybe 2 will be there, maybe R3 will be there, maybe R4, maybe R5, maybe R6. Okay, so see here 6 outcome here will come. Now suppose you are selecting white, then W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, W6. Now suppose you are selecting blue color, then B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. So see here how many sample space are there. So 18 total sample space is what? Total sample space is 18 are there. So how you will write? Okay, so see here. So how you have calculated? Three colors are there, six numbers, 6 3 is 18. Okay, and here two rooms are there. Okay, and 4 in each, 2 4 is 8 sample space. So in this way you will write the sample space and calculate the how many sample space will be there. Okay, so I hope you have understood all the question how you will write the sample space. Okay, now if you have liked the video, then share and subscribe it, and if you have any query, then comment in my comment box, and if you are facing any doubt in any question, so here my WhatsApp number is written. On this number you will send me pic of that question in which you are facing problem. What I will do, I will make video of that question to clear your doubts. So till now wait for the next video. Next we will learn how you will find the probability and how you will write the sample space, some more experiment. Okay, so till now have a nice day, goodbye, and wait for the next video.